Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
You can use the Task Usage view to view the hours spent by work resources on the tasks within the project file. To view the Task Usage view, click the Task Usage button that appears in the Task Views button group on the View tab within the ribbon. At the left side of the pane, you will see a table view that lists the project tasks and the work resources that are assigned to the selected tasks. To the right of each row, you will then see a calendar timeline that shows the amount of work performed by each task resource for the given days. The work appears within selectable cells, whose values you can edit if needed to modify the hours worked on tasks for the associated resources. You can also edit the task details that appear in the columns within the table at the left side of the view if necessary. You will also see a new Format tab of the Task Usage Tools Contextual tab appear within the ribbon when you switch to this view. You can use the buttons within this tab to make modifications to this view. The buttons that appear within the Format button group and the Columns button group on the Format tab of the Task Usage Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon are used to change the appearance of text, grid lines, and columns within the view. They are used to make the same changes to the view as they do when they are used within the Gantt chart view. So you can review Lesson 7.1, Formatting Gantt Charts, and Lesson 7.2, Formatting Columns in Gantt Charts, to review this information if needed. In the Details button group of the Format tab of the Task Usage Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon, you will see a group of checkboxes. You can check the checkboxes next to the names of the types of data that you can display within the rows that appear at the right side of this view for each work resource displayed. Unchecking a box in this button group will hide that data from being displayed in the view. You can add even more data fields than are displayed here by clicking the Add Details button within this button group to open the Detail Styles dialog box. In this dialog box, you can select the fields to add from the available fields list, and then click the Show button to add them to the Show These Fields list. For any selected field in the Show These Fields list, you can change the appearance of the font, cell background, and pattern by making the desired selections from the choices shown at the bottom of the dialog box. When you're finished, simply click the OK button to apply these changes. You can check or uncheck the Outline Number, Project Summary Task, and Summary Tasks checkboxes that appear within the Show Hide button group in the Format tab of the Task Usage Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon to show or hide those elements within the view. If you have a work resource row selected within the view, you can click the Information or Notes buttons that appear within the Assignment button group in the Format tab of the Task Usage Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon to display the Assignment Information dialog box, where you can edit the resource assignment information for the selected task if needed. Clicking the Information button simply displays the General tab within this dialog box, and clicking the Notes button displays the Notes tab within the same dialog box. You can make any resource assignment changes as needed and click the OK button to apply them.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.